Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Cook, Love Simple Cooking TV. And so guys, today I'm gonna clean some fish and clean some chicken. Alright guys. So guys, this is some porgy. So the first thing you do, you take out all the blood. So you take out the blood out from the back. Clean out all the blood guys, out the back and the front. And then you clean. Scale off the extra scale guys, clean off the extra scale. So guys, try and check if you have extra scale on the fish. There's extra scale guys, you have to clean it off. And because this porgy is big, I'm gonna cut it in two. So guys, I'm gonna fry it. Or maybe I think I might put it in the oven. I don't know yet, I'll see. Guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, my videos. So guys, as I said, just use a knife tail, point of your knife, and clean off the extra scale off the fish guys. Just do like this. Don't cut yourself guys. See guys, just use it and clean off the extra scale. And in the head guys, see in the head you take out all the blood. In the back you use the point of the knife to take out the blood out of it. Okay guys, so because these are big guys, I'm cutting them. I already cleaned these guys. So just cut them. So I put them right here. Let's see. Sorry guys, I don't know what that. I cleaned these already guys. Off camera. And then I just slice them at the side. Yes, I want to make sure the season go through. Guys, when you finish cooking fish, wash down your place with some lime water or some bleach. See guys, all clean inside, and those little extra fatty stuff you could take out. So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar. Don't put too much vinegar guys. Vinegar cook your fish. So you just put a little bit of vinegar to rinse off So what I'm gonna rinse it off in the vinegar. After I rinse it, wash it off with the vinegar, guys. I rinse it off with the vinegar. I'm gonna throw off the vinegar water and I'm gonna wash it off with some salt water. So I'm gonna put some salt in the water. So I'm gonna add some salt in the water, guys. So when I put the salt, guys, I don't have to use a lot of powder seasoning because the fish already tastes with salt. So I'm going to rinse them off in the salt water. And I'm going to put them aside, let them drain. And after that, while I'm draining the fish in something, I'm going to clean some chicken. Steam these, guys. I wash it 2 times, 1 time with vinegar and 1 time with salt water, guys. Okay, guys, so this is some chicken. I'm gonna clean this chicken, guys. I might curry this. So I'm gonna take off the skin. I don't put chicken with the skin, so I take off all the fat. Take off all the fat, guys. Guys, don't eat your chicken skin, it's not healthy. I know a lot of people like the fat, but it's not good for your heart. Take off all the skin, all the fat. Take out all this stuff in here. Yes, guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Cutting off the fat, guys. Okay, guys, I'll be back, guys, when I finish cleaning the chicken. I'm gonna put these. Guys, I finish take out all the little blood out of it, and even this part where the bone is connected. There's a lot of fat in there. Guys, if you stay like me, out all the fat, because I don't like to eat meat and feel the fat in my mouth. Always take off all the fat, guys. Take out all the fat. Every bit of fat, guys, every bit of fat. Then, guys, I'm gonna chop this up. So I'm gonna put this. I need a cutting board. I clean up my sink, guys. So you have to make your chicken soak for a while in the vinegar to take out all the rawness out of it. So I'm gonna let it soak for a while so I can wash down the sink, guys. Alright guys, so what I do, I put some bleach in this bottle, and when I spray it, I spray everywhere with it. I spray everywhere with the bleach, guys. Spray everywhere, inside the sink, on the cutting board, everywhere with the bleach. This bleach is strong, guys. And then I put some soap. Wash down everything. Bleach is strong, guys. Put soap. Wash down the cutting board. So we're gonna clean out this side of the sink. Clean out the sink, guys. Clean off everywhere. The pipe. Even though when I'm finished this, guys, I have to wash the chicken, so I have to wash it 2 times. But I want to make sure the chicken is clean before I wash the chicken again. Because I want to clean up all of the chicken that left. I want to clean up before, so I'm going to clean it twice. So when I come back with the chicken to wash, there's nothing in the sink or on the counter. Wash it from the bleach. So I'm gonna wash the other side of the sink. So guys, you spray the bleach on your knives. So I spray the bleach on the knives. Washing everything. Now guys, I'm gonna wash the chicken off. So I'm gonna wash the chicken now, guys. I'm going to pour off the water with the vinegar. Put some fresh water. Then I'm going to pour this off. Guys, when I'm cooking chicken meat, I spend a lot of time doing it because I don't know. I don't like. I'm very funny with meat. When I go supermarket, I don't let my meat touch the stuff. I have to put the meat separate, so it's the same thing in my house. Alright. So this is done. Guys, everything done. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up on my sink again. So, alright guys, I'll see you guys when I'm ready to season up this meat, because I have to clean up the sink. So okay guys, I'm gonna season up the chicken. So I'm gonna use pimento, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, Larry seasoning, and paprika, guys. And I have some I make. So I'm gonna use some of the natto oil on the chicken. Whoops! Too much. I'm gonna put a little bit of curry. Not a lot of curry, guys, just a little bit. And I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric. So I like to mix my curry with turmeric. So guys, I'm only gonna put the powder season for now, and when I cook ready, the chicken is almost finished, I'm gonna add the fresh seasoning. So guys, this is all the seasoning I showed just now, the powder seasoning. So I'm just gonna put some on that. And I'm going to mix everything together. The powder season already have salt, guys, so I don't add salt. I don't add salt in my meat. I wash my meat with salt, but I don't add it to the meat itself because the powder season that I'm using already have salt. So guys, there you go. So I'm gonna cover up this and let it soak for a minute, and then before I'm ready to cook. So watch the process, guys, as I do the fish next with the same powder season I put in this. The chicken is the same powder seasoning I'm gonna put in the fish. So I'm gonna wash my hand, guys. So okay, guys, now I'm gonna put the powder seasoning on the fish, guys. So you put some on the inside and in the head for those of us who eat fish head, and you put this right here inside. So guys, I'm gonna steam this fish, so I'm not gonna fry it today. Too much frying, no good. So I'm just rub the seasoner on it. I'm gonna do some coconut milk, guys. I cut up my coconut and I keep it in the freezer. So I'm gonna use that to put down the fish, steam fish. I'm making some steam fish, guys. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. I have company. Rub the seasoning in and around the fish, in the side of the fish. Guys, I don't put no extra salt because I did rinse off the fish already in salt water. So you just use the seasoning. You don't need no more salt. Those of you who like salt, that's okay, but I don't want no more salt. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna let this soak for a while, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna steam this fish. So this is pagi. So there you go, guys. I'm all seasoned up. So, alright, guys, I'll see you guys back in a minute. So guys, this is the coconut I keep in my freezer. So when I'm making, like, as I said, steamed fish or rice and peas, I have it. So I just put it in here, put it in the bullet, and add some boiling water with cold water. So right here, guys, I boil the water, and I'm gonna add some cold water to it to cool it down. So I'm gonna cool that down, and so I'm gonna blend it. So put it in the bullet, guys. So there you go, guys. You blend it. And I have a strainer. Pour it in the strainer. You could blend this 2 times, guys. So you see, you have to put warm water on it, guys, because it's cold. So you need warm water to help it to blend better. If you don't put warm water, it's not gonna blend. It's gonna blend, but it's gonna be kind of sticky because the milk won't be able to come out. So for you to get the milk out of it, you have to blend it with little warm water. So here guys, I'm gonna put another little tip of warm water in there with a little more cold water, and then guys I'll be back. Yes guys, so this is how you do this. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for subscribing. Just squeeze out the milk. So guys, there you go guys, the coconut milk that I'm gonna use to steam the fish. So okay guys, so right here guys, I have some rice and peas in this pot. I had it in the freezer, so I just take it out and I'm gonna tip a little bit of warm water in it and let it warm up and let it cover it and let it stay there until it warm up. Over there guys, guys, I have some Brussels sprout also. Everything was in the freezer guys. It was in the freezer. So some of the milk that I just used, that I'm going to use for the fish, I'm going to put some of the coconut milk. Use it to cook down the Brussels sprout. It was already steamed and in my freezer. So I'm just going to season it up with some of the same powder seasoning that I use for the fish and the chicken guys. So I'm just gonna put that down. We're gonna add some onion and some sweet pepper guys, some thyme and some scallion. So I'm just gonna let that steam down. And right here and here guys, I'm gonna do the chicken. So for the chicken over here, chicken and the fish in this two pot here. So for this one, this is the annatto oil guys. I'm gonna put a little bit to both for the fish and the chicken. Alright. So for the fish guys, I'm gonna fry up the seasoning, the fresh seasoning. Over here guys, I'm gonna do the fish. I'm not gonna put the seasoning right away for the chicken guys. I'm gonna put the seasoning for the chicken last, because I want the chicken to cook first before I put that. Before I put the the seasoning. I'm gonna saute that first, and after I saute the fresh seasoning, I'm gonna add the milk, coconut milk. So there you go guys. I'm sauteing this. When I'm finished, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Add the fish in it, and then I'm going to pour the coconut milk on top. Okay guys, so let's add the chicken. I'm going to cover this and let it cook down before I add the fresh seasoning. Over there guys, watch the process guys. I'm going to put in the coconut milk. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut milk. And so I'm going to add the fish. fish and put in the head first. So this is steam pan, guys. And then I'm gonna have the rest of the liquid for the coconut milk. Cover that and let it steam. So let me put some more coconut milk in there. Don't want to put too much, guys. So there you go. Alright guys, see y'all back later. Okay guys, let's check on the chicken. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. I know this video is somewhat long, guys, so the next time I see you guys is when I'm finished cooking. I'm just gonna let this stay here and cook down. The rice is steaming, the fish is steaming. Try not to make this video too long, but it's already over 30 minutes. Okay guys, so there goes the steamed fish. Still have a little bit of water, but I'm gonna let it boil down some more. See? I'm gonna boil it down some more, guys. Sorry guys, I have a visitor, so make it nice. So guys, I'm gonna let this boil down some more, and then I'm gonna turn it off. And there you go guys, the Brussels sprout is done. Finished steaming. Alright guys, so that's it. And here goes this rice and peas, guys. Was in the freezer. So there you go guys, it's very hot now. Just put your stove on low. When you have leftover rice and peas, guys, just put it in your freezer. And then when you're ready to cook it, take it out, put it in the pot, put it on low, and put a little tip of water in there. And there you go guys, come on, nice and fluffy, just like if you just cook it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the fresh seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup, guys, because I don't have any tomato. So I'm gonna put some ketchup. And we like to use barbecue sauce, guys, so I'm gonna put a little barbecue sauce. So guys, you see, you don't have to add no water to the chicken. You just put it on in the pot, cover it, and it will make it own water. Because these chicken these days have a lot of water in them. Why, I don't know. So you just put in this fresh seasoning. You mix everything together. And then you're going to cover this back up, guys, and let it finish cook down a little bit more so the fresh seasoning can cook. Just season the fresh seasoning before you cook your chicken, your chicken, but then I like to add sometimes, or most of the time, I like to add the seasoning after. I'm gonna add some pepper. This is a homemade pepper that I made. I made my own hot sauce. So there you go guys. It's almost gravy. So there you go guys. So I'm gonna put the stove on low and let all the vegetables steam down in the chicken. Okay guys, there you go. Chicken is finished. The rice over here is finished. Breakfast sprout is finished. And the steamed fish is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And take care of yourself until next time, guys. I will do a picture with I don't know, maybe I'll do a picture of me plating the food. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and share, and take care of yourself. I'm sorry this video is over 36 minutes long. Sorry guys.